This is an instructional video for deploying a trail camera for wildlife monitoring purposes. This video is made using a Reconyx HyperFire 2 trail camera, and some components may not be the same for other trail camera models. Refer to your trail camera's manual for guidance. To deploy a trail camera, you'll need the following equipment: batteries to power the trail camera, a trail camera itself, an SD card to store the data being recorded by the trail camera, a phone or GPS to record the location of where the trail camera is being deployed, a webbing strap, and a lock cable to secure the trail camera to a tree. It is also recommended to have a quick setup guide with you for reference and to help you in the field. For safety, wear a high visibility vest and whistle. Complete deployment in pairs and inform someone of your field plans and check in with them. To open the trail camera, flip up the latch on the side and push up to release the seal. Pull back the latch and open it to see the interior components. 12 AA batteries are needed for the trail camera to work. Insert batteries in the proper orientation outlined in the bottom of the battery compartment. The slot for the SD card is located here. When inserting or removing the SD card, always ensure the trail camera is off. To insert the SD card, the label should be facing up and the slanted corner is to be inserted first. Push in the SD card until it clicks into place. The on and off switch is located here. Push the switch up to power on the trail camera. The status control panel provides you with the status of the SD card and batteries. The 0% indicates that the SD card is empty, and the solid battery icon indicates that the batteries are full, and the LITH indicates that they are lithium batteries. Before going out to deploy the trail camera, it's important to double check the settings. To do so, use the arrow buttons to go through the main menu options until Change Setup appears, and press OK. Toggle through the setup options to double check the settings. In this project case, these are the following settings needed for motion options. The camera is now ready to be deployed. Always turn off the camera when it's not in use. Once you select the location to deploy the trail camera, pick a suitable tree, one that can support the camera height requirement based on your species of interest and is not surrounded by branches or other trees and shrubs to prevent the field of view from being blocked and causing false trigger captures. The height requirement of the trail camera will depend on the target species shoulder height, as putting it at the shoulder height of the species of interest ensures capturing the species. Camera height will likely range from 0.6 meters to 1 meter. Once the height is measured on the tree, find the position on the tree so the camera's field of view is facing north. This is to prevent interference from the sun. The webbing strap will be used to secure the trail camera to the tree. There are 2 loops on the back of the camera to drag the strap through. Drag this webbing strap through the loops. Hold the trail camera to the tree at the designated height and position, and then wrap the thread around the tree. Insert the strap through the clasp and tighten it until the trail camera is secure. Having two people can make this step easier. If needed, insert a branch between the trail camera and tree to angle and secure the camera better. Also remove any branches around the trail camera to avoid blocking the camera's field of view or to cause false triggers, as mentioned before. Now that the trail camera is secured, it is important to take the time to note and write down the deployment data. Use a GPS or a phone to record the coordinates of the location. Take photos of the trail camera and north, east, south, west photos of the surroundings, as this will help with describing the habitat and can help with finding the trail camera later. Make sure to fill out the rest of the deployment field data sheet, whether it's on your phone or through paper and pen. This is important for tracking equipment and deployment sites. Now the camera is ready to be armed. Open the trail camera and turn it on. Use the arrow buttons to go through the main menu options until walk test appears, and press OK. Close the camera. Walk where you think the camera's field of view is and where you expect movement to be captured. If movement is captured, a red light will blink on the camera. This is the walk test, and it helps you find the actual field of view for the camera. You can move the camera to adjust the field of view as needed. Once satisfied with the field of view, go back to the camera and open it. Press OK to end the walk test. Use the arrow buttons to go through the main menu options until Arm Camera appears, and press OK. A 10-second countdown will appear to let you know the camera will start recording once the countdown ends, unless it is cancelled. Close the camera and step to the side of it. Close the snap camera latch shut. Grab a lock cable. Thread it through the opening on the front of the camera and wrap it around the tree. The cable can be threaded through the opening twice. Wrap the access cable around the tree before threading it back through the lock. Use the key to lock the cable. Once locked, the cable can be pulled through the lock to tighten it, but not pulled to be loosened. Tuck in the access cable. The camera has now been deployed successfully and can be left. Here are additional resources for you to look into for deploying and monitoring wildlife with trail cameras.